Hello friends, this is Ayush, and in this video we'll be discussing the quant section of CAT 2018 evening slot paper. This video will have questions from logarithm, permutation combination and progressions. Question number 13 to 20 will be a part of this video. So let's begin with the same. Question number 13. Let a1, a2 up to a52 be a positive integer such that a1 is less than a2 is less than up to a52. So what is given is कि आपके पास 52 terms are there, out of which the first is the smallest, then second, then third, and so on, so on, so on. And suppose the arithmetic mean is 1 less than the arithmetic mean of a2 say a52. Okay, fine, great. So let me form an equation for this. a1 plus a2 up to a52 तक जा रहा है, and इसका जो arithmetic mean है that is 1 less than. So इसको a minus 1 ले लेता हूँ. And since there are 52 observations, इनका sum find करने के लिए we need to multiply by 52, right? Similarly, considering the second case from a2 से अगर a52 तक की बात करें अपन, that should be equals to there is total of 51 terms and the average is a, right? Okay, आगे दे रखा है if a52 equals to 100, you have to find the largest possible value of a1. Now the important thing is that all of them are integers. First thing. Second important thing is कि a52 is 100. Now in order to increase the value of a1, since all the other terms are greater than a1, we need to maximize the value of other terms as well. So what we can do is we can assume a2 to be 50, then 51, then 52 up to following the sequence, this will be up to 100, which is equals to 51a, right? So on solving this, we'll have the sum as there are 51 terms, n by 2, a plus l is the formula, 100 plus 50, it's 150, this should be the formula, which is equals to 51a. 51 to 51 will get cancelled, a will be equals to 75, right? Now since we have got the value of a equals to 75, we can put the value in the first equation. It's the first equation. In case if we'll put it, we'll find the solution as a1 plus a2 से a52 तक का summation was 51a, which is 51 into 75 is equals to 52, and a 75. 75 minus 1 is 74, right? So in case if we'll solve this, we'll find that 51 into 75 is equals to 3825. So this will be a1 plus 3825 equals to 52 into 74 करते हैं, that is 3848. So on solving, we'll get a1 equals to 23, which is the correct answer for this question. So for question number 13, the correct answer is option D, that is 23 is the correct answer. Fine, let's go ahead to the next question. Question number 14 is on the screen. Let's try to solve it out. आपको क्या दे रखा है? Let t1, t2 be real numbers such that t1 plus t2 up to tn equals to 2n square plus 9n plus 13 for every positive integer greater than n. So आपको एक sequence दे रखा है t1 plus t2 up to tn, which is equals to 2n square plus 19n plus 13. Now if tk is equals to 103, अब जैसे अब आपको जब sum वाले sequences दे रखे हो तो एक particular term का value find करना होता है, what we will do is we'll put first n equal to k. So when we are putting n equals to k, we'll have t1 plus t2 and so on up to ये जाएगा plus tk minus 1 and then plus tk, which is equals to 2. n की जगह k put करता हूँ, 2k square plus 9k plus 13. Right, this is my first equation. Second time I am assuming n equals to k minus 1. तो जब n को k minus 1 assume किया, t1 plus t2 ये sequence जाएगा tk minus 1 तक, and the resultant value will be 2 into k minus 1 का square plus 9k minus 1 plus 13. Right, so we have got two equations. If we'll subtract the two equations, आपका इक्वेशन 1 माइनस इक्वेशन 2 करता हूं तो सब कुछ कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे, ओनली tk विल बी लेफ्ट, which is equals to this is 2k square plus 9k plus 13 माइनस ब्रैकेट में लिख देता हूं 2k square plus 2 माइनस 4k plus 9k minus 9 plus 13. right? When I'll open the brackets, अच्छा tk का value I'm putting it to be 103 equals to 2k square से 2k square आपका cancel हो जाएगा, 9k से आपका 9k cancel हो जाएगा. I'll open the brackets, I'll have plus 13 से minus 13 cancel हो जाएगा because bracket के बाहर minus sign है. So finally I'll have 4k and this will be plus 7. So on solving, I'll have 4k equals to 96 or k equals to 24 will be the correct answer. You were supposed to calculate the value of k. We have calculated it to be 24. So for question number 14, the correct answer is 24. Let's go ahead for the next question. Question number 15 is on the screen. If p cube equal to q power 4 equal to r power 5 equal to s power 6. Okay, so important thing about these types of questions is whenever these multiple equal to sign are given to you in any of the question, what we can do in order to simplify the question is that we can assume is equal to k. Iske baad, if I am calculating the value of p, that will be k ki power 1 by 3, q will be k ki power 1 by 4, r will be k ki power 1 by 5, and s, this is 5, and s will be k ki power 1 by 6. Now what they have given you is, you have to calculate the value of log PQR base S. So putting the values, I'll have log P ki power 1 by 3 into, K ki power 1 by 3. This will be K ki power 1 by 3 into K ki power 1 by 4 into K ki power 1 by 5. ये PQR का value put किया और S का value K की power 1 by 6 put कर दिया. And I'll solve this. I'll have, अच्छा ये सारी base multiplication में है तो powers add हो जाएंगी. This will be K की power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5, and this will be K की power 1 by 6. ठीक है. When I'll add them, I'll have log K ki power. I'll take the LCM to be 60, and 60 ke according this will be 20 plus 15 plus 12, that is 47 by 60, or K power 1 by 6. This can be written as 47 by 60 into 6 upon 1 log K base K. When I'll solve this, this is 1 by 10 and log K base K is 1. So my final answer will be 47 by 10, which is the correct answer for this question. So for question number 15, the correct answer is option C, that is 47 by 10. Okay, so let's go ahead for the next question. Question number 16. It's on the screen. Let's try to figure it out. It's a question from permutation and combination. क्या दे रखा है? Let's just try to check it out. In a tournament, there are 43 junior level and 51 senior level participants. Okay, junior level की बात करता हूँ. Total 43 participants are there. Senior level की बात करता हूँ. Total 51 participants are there. Each pair of junior play one match. Each pair of seniors play one match. ठीक है. तो जितने भी juniors है सब में matches हो रहा है. सारे सीनियर्स में मैचेस हो रहे हैं. There is no junior versus senior match. जूनियर और सीनियर का कोई मैच नहीं हो रहा है. Okay, the number of girls versus girls match in junior level is 153. Talking about girls, number of matches can be calculated as NC2, which is equals to 153 as given to you. NC2 is n minus 1 upon 2 equals to 153. On solving, I'll have n into n minus 1 equal to 306 or n equal to 18. मतलब out of this 43, 18 were girls, right? So 25 will be boys. Let's talk about the further information. While the number of boys to boys matches in senior level is 276. So again, applying the concept of NC2 equal to 276. NC2 is n minus 1, और ये 2 उधर जाके multiply हो गया. This will be 552. So on solving, I'll get n equals to 24. मतलब out of this 51, 24 were boys. So remaining 27 will be girls. Now what they have asked is the total number of matches a boy plays against a girl. So in junior level, number of matches between boys and girls will be 18 girls are there multiplied by 25 boys are there, which adds to a total of 450. Similarly, talking about the senior level, 24 boys are there, which will be playing against 27 girls, and a total of 648 matches will be there. If we are talking about the total number of matches, that will be 450 plus 648 on this is 648. On adding, we'll get the correct answer is 1098. So the correct answer for this question is question number 16 is 1098. Okay, so let's go ahead for the next question. Question number 17 is on the screen. Let's try to solve it out. It's a question from progressions. The value of the sum 7 into 11, 11 into 15, 15 into 19, and so on, so on, so on, up to 95 into 99 is. Chalo. So what we are given is 7 into 11 plus 11 into 15 plus 15 into 19 up to 95 into 99. So let's try to generalize this term. Look, the first, this 4, if we are looking at 7, then 11, then 15, there is an increment of 4. Similarly, 11, then 15, and then 19, again an increment of 4. So talking about the general term Tn in terms of n, this will be 4n plus 3. Agar aap n ko 1 put karte hain, you'll get 7, n ko 2 put karte hain, you'll get 11, and so on, so on, so on. And the second term will be 4n plus 7. So opening the brackets, I'll have 16n square plus this is 28 and 12, 40n plus 21, right? And here n will be equals to this is going up to 95, so n should be equals to 23. So the total of 23 terms are there, and we need to find the sum of these values. So SN करना है, तो what we'll do is 16 summation n square लगा देंगे, plus 40 summation n लग जाएगा, plus 21 summation 1 लग जाएगा, right? So this will be 16. अच्छा, we'll put n equals to 23. Summation n square होता है n plus 1, 2n plus 1. So this will be 47 upon 6 plus 40. Summation n होता है n plus 1 by 2 plus 21. Summation 1 होता है n, that is 23. So let's try to solve this value. This is 1 and this will be 4. So what we need to do is we have to multiply 16 and 23 and 4 and 47, which becomes 69184 plus. In this case, we can cancel it like this is 20. So what we need to do is we have to multiply 20 into 23 into 24, which is a total of 11040. And the last is 21 into 23, which is 483. So adding the values of 69184, 11040 and 484, the sum becomes 80. This is 483, sorry. This should be 483. So the sum becomes 80707, which is the correct answer for this question. So for question number 17, the correct answer is option A, 80707. Let's go ahead for the next question, that is question number 18, which is on the screen. What we need to do is, how many two-digit numbers with a non-zero digit in units place are there? The units place should be non-zero, which are more than thrice the number found by interchanging the position of digits. So the three-digit number is 10x plus y. The number formed by reversing the digits is 10y plus x, and this 10y plus x should be greater than 3 times of 10x plus y, right? This is the condition given to in the question. Let's try to solve it out. This will be 10y plus x is greater than 30x plus 3y. So on solving, we'll have 7y greater than 29x, or y greater than, I guess, 4.14 something 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 x. Matlab y should be greater than 4 times of x. So let's try to put the values. Pehle, I'm assuming x equals to 1 because x cannot be 0. It's a two-digit number. So आपका ये 10th digit cannot be 0. X को 1 assume किया. So y should be greater than 4 times of 1. That is, y should be greater than 4. So y can be 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Accordingly, the numbers can be 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. All the 5 numbers are those numbers which are following the condition that if we are reversing the digits, we'll have a number which is greater than 3 times of the original number. Next case, second, assuming x equals to 2, we'll have y should be greater than 4 times of 2. That is, y should be greater than 8. Y can be only 9. And the number is only 29. Right? We cannot assume x equal to 3 because then y have to be greater than 12, which is impossible because y needs to be a single digit number. Right? So in that case, counting the total number of results we have obtained 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. A total of 6 possible cases are there. So for this question number 18, the correct answer is 6. Let's go ahead for the next question. Question number 19 is there on the screen. The arithmetic mean of XYZ is 80. Okay. If the arithmetic mean of XYZ is 80, we can calculate the sum of XYZ as 240. This is the first equation. Also, the sum of XYZ UV is 75. Average of XYZ UV is XYZ UV is 75. So their sum should be equal to 75 into 5, which is 375. It's equation 2. It is given to you as u equals to x plus y by 2, b equals to y plus z by 2. So if we'll add them, first of all, subtracting equation 2 and equation 1, we'll have x, y, z will get cancelled out. U plus v will be equals to 135. Right. So, आपका u plus v आ गया 135. अच्छा. In case if we are adding this equation u plus v, so अगर मैं u plus v का value calculate करूं, that will be x plus y plus z by 2 plus y by 2. Right. So this is x plus y plus z, which is 240 by 2. So u plus v के जगह I am putting 135. 240 by 2, it's 120 plus y by 2. On solving, I'll get y by 2 equals to 15 or y equals to 30. Now, since I've got the value of y equals to 30, what next they have asked is, if x is greater than or equal to z, putting the value of y equals to 30 in the first equation, I'll have x plus z equals to 210. And x is either greater than or equal to z. What is the minimum possible value of x? So in order to get the minimum possible value of x, what we need to do is we need to put x equal to z. So putting x equal to z, we'll have 2x equals to 210 or we'll have x equals to 105. So the correct answer for question number 19th is 105. Let's go ahead for the next question. Question number 20th is on the screen. Let's try to figure it out. It's a question based on logarithm, and the entire question is based on a single property of logarithm, that is log of a base b can be written as 1 upon log of b base a and vice versa. Right. So here it's given as 1 upon log 100 base 2. This can be written as log 2 base 100 minus log 4 base 100 plus log 5 base 100 minus log 10 base 100 plus log 20 base 100 minus log 25 base 100 plus log 50 base 100. So in order to solve this, what we'll have is log a plus log b equals to log ab, and log a minus log b equals to log a upon b. Applying the property, सबका base same है. I'll take the base to be 100. This will be 2 into 1 by 4 into 5 into 1 by 10 into 20 into 1 by 25 into 50. So let us cancel it out. This is 1, this is 2, this is 1, this is 2, this is 1, this is 2, or is 2 से ये 2 cancel. This is 1, this is 2. Right. So this will be आपका आ गया log 10 base 100. और base 100 को कहना है 10 square. This is 1 by 2 log 10 base 10 हो जाएगा आपका. And log 10 base 10 is equals to 1. We know that. So in that case, answer will be 1 by 2. So for question number 20, the correct answer is option B. That is 1 by 2 is the correct answer. Right. With this, we are done with all the questions from PNC, progressions, and logarithm. I hope all these questions must be clear to you. In case of any queries, if you have, You can post your queries on our Facebook page. Thank you for watching the video.